Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to outline PNG image with Affinity Designer. This is a great way to make your images stand out and add a professional touch to your designs. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, product mockups, stickers, logos, or marketing materials, adding an outline can make your subject more noticeable and help it stand out from the background. Let's dive right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to work with your file. You can either open your existing file or create a new one to get started with the outlining process. If your PNG already has a transparent background, you'll be able to see the outline effect much more clearly as you work. Now click on the image you want to outline. This selection is crucial because it tells Affinity Designer which element you're about to modify. You'll know the image is selected when you see the selection handles appear around it. If you have multiple objects on your canvas, make sure you've selected the correct PNG before moving on to the next step. Next, look over to the right toolbar where you'll find various editing options. Click on Quick FX, which is where all the special effects are housed. From the menu that appears, select Outline. This is the feature that will allow you to add that crisp border around your PNG image. The outline effect is especially useful for separating your subject from busy or colorful backgrounds, making your design easier to read at a glance. Once you've selected outline, you'll see several customization options become available. Navigate to the color setting, and you'll notice a color picker right next to it. Click on this color picker to choose your preferred outline color. This is where you can get creative and match the outline to your design's color scheme or make it pop with a contrasting shade. For example, a white outline often works well on dark backgrounds, while a black outline can make images stand out on lighter backgrounds. You can also experiment with bold brand colors to create a unique visual style. After selecting your color, navigate to the radius option. This is where you control the thickness of your outline. Use the slider and drag it from left to right to adjust the outline thickness to your liking. Moving the slider to the right will increase the thickness, while moving it to the left will make it thinner. Take your time here to find the perfect width that complements your image. A subtle outline can create a clean, professional look, while a thicker outline is ideal when you want your image to grab attention, especially in thumbnails or promotional graphics. And there you have it. You've successfully added an outline to your PNG image in Affinity Designer, giving it that extra visual impact that makes your design more polished and professional. Feel free to experiment with different colors and thickness settings until you find the combination that best complements your project and overall design style. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.